we'll be reacting to. Bob causes a blizzard and gets arrested by Rack Animate.
Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment below for a chance to get a shout out in my next video.
School will get cancelled tomorrow.
We are absolutely not canceling school. No, 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 no.
I think I need to do a little investigating. Perfect. That's all I need.
No, 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 no.
Illicit, hey, I'll show them up. Illicit.
Bob. Keep it down. I am trying to rest. If you continue to wake me up, you will be spending your snow day shoveling the driveway.
I gotta find a way to create a Blizzard way better than Caillou. But what to do? What to do? I have an idea. Terry the Tat Little's dad always comes up with inventions. Why don't I just ask him if he's got anything to help with blizzards? Terry the Tattletale.
Ugh, it's just you, Bob. What do you want?
Well, I see there was a blizzard. I want to make a bigger blizzard. Tell me how, right? Freaking now.
Well, I think my dad has something that can help. I'll show you. Alright, here you go. These are what my dad has. We have all kinds of natural disasters that we can cause. Just choose one.
Well, I don't know why you got all of these machines. Well, give me the blizzard one. Now.
You think I'm just going to let you do it? Hell no, especially after what you did with the clone machine.
Alright, now time to show them a real blizzard. Nothing freaking happened. I knew the stupid machine wouldn't work. Man, the snow really picked up. I better get out of here before it's unsafe.
Wow, it's snowing even harder than yesterday. I guess I should cancel school, since I fired that good-for-nothing Miss Martin. He's He's not here either. I'm very worried about him. It is snowing really bad outside. I hope he's okay. I might as well go check outside for him. Caillou? Oh my gosh, he's frozen. I'm so sorry, Caillou. I didn't know it was supposed to be so snowy and cold outside. The weather said that it was supposed to be fine.
It's okay, Dad. I just hope it warms up sometime soon.
Oh my gosh, Bob. Where were you? I cannot believe you were out there in a blizzard. They say this is the worst one Go Animate City has ever seen.
What? Blizzard, you say? The worst one the city has ever seen.
Well, I don't know why you are so happy about that, but I'm glad you're okay.
You hear that? It looks like that stupid machine worked after all. I can't believe it. This might be the best time I've ever pulled off. Wait a second. I'm not gonna get any credit for this, because nobody knows it was me. This just won't do. I need to let everyone know that it was me. Good. Now time to send. Boom. Now they all know it was me. Bob the mastermind of pranks. Now time to have my third lunch of the day.
Hello? Go Animate City Police Department.
Hey, there is a young man by the name of Bob, who is saying that he was the one that caused this snowstorm. Can you go arrest him for me? Thank you.
Oh. Don't worry. I'll have him arrested. Thank you. Let's go arrest this troublemaker for the 900th time.
Attention. I repeat. Attention. Listen up. Bob, we know you are there, and we know you started this blizzard. Come on with your hands up. Right now.
Oh, crap.
Now stay there, as I walk up to you to arrest you. Not a single movement. You are going to jail for a very long time. Bob, you are arrested for 1 year.
Grounded for 9235928962982 lifetimes.
Why?
He knows he's not going to his room. There's no room. He's in jail.
Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Did you enjoy the video? Leave a comment below if you did.